Welcome to Sociology Vibes, where we simplify challenging ideas into easy to understand insights. Stick around to see the world and your life in a different way. Today, our focus is on the explanations of instrumental leaders and expressive leaders. In simple terms, these are names that describe how these types of leaders focus on different things within a group. As different types of groups in society become larger, formal authority figures emerge to fulfill leadership roles. Leaders have leadership functions to accomplish, such as goals. And depending on the group dynamics, different types of leaders are necessary. Expressive leaders ensure the emotional well-being of a group, while instrumental leaders ensure the completion of a group's tasks and goals. Instrumental leaders focus on getting things done. They make sure that everyone knows what needs to be done, they set deadlines, and they keep the group on track. In the workplace, instrumental leaders, for example, include project managers. Their job is to set goals, budgets, and deadlines. They hold meetings to discuss progress, assign tasks to team members, and check in regularly to make sure everyone is on track. Expressive leaders, on the other hand, focus on the well-being, contentment, or happiness of group members. They are more about maintaining harmony, building relationships, and keeping everyone motivated and satisfied. They make sure that everyone feels included, valued, and supported. Now, continuing with our work example, an expressive leader regularly checks in on how group members feel. They organize team-building activities, mediate conflicts, and make sure that everyone feels heard and appreciated. They might also recognize team members' hard work with praise or rewards. Both types of leaders are important for a group to function well. Instrumental leaders help the group achieve its goals and stay organized, while expressive leaders ensure that everyone feels good about being part of the group. As you can imagine, both types of leaders are important in groups, especially large formal groups and informal groups, including families, friends, and acquaintances. Understanding the difference between instrumental and expressive types of leaders helps us see how leadership can address practical tasks and emotional needs. By recognizing these roles, we can better appreciate how people contribute to a group's success and well-being. On a practical level, we are constantly moving in and out of both formal and informal groups, and this knowledge can help us identify weaknesses and suggest ways to improve the group's functions. For example, we are more likely to notice under what circumstances an expressive leader might be needed versus an instrumental leader. When we take on leadership roles, we are more likely to identify which type of leader is needed depending on the group's dynamics and goals. Recognizing whether the issue stems from a task-related problem or an emotional one can help us address conflict much more effectively when conflicts arise. And instrumental leaders can tackle the practical aspects of the conflict, while expressive leaders can help mediate and soothe emotional tensions. Taking inventory and identifying your preferred leadership type can help you understand your strengths and challenges. You can then develop the corresponding leadership skills you might lack, becoming a more well-rounded individual, capable of handling different situations confidently as a leader. And this makes sociology worth exploring further, don't you think? Thanks for watching. If you found this video interesting, give a like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. See you in the next Sociology Vibes video.